Imagine standing on a rocky cliff, the wind tousling your hair as you gaze over a captivating sea of deep blue. Below, a picturesque village hugs the shore, its red and yellow houses reflecting the vibrant hues of the setting sun. Lofoten Islands in Norway are not just a destination, they are a dream woven into reality, where nature and craftsmanship unite in a stunning display of life. The enchantment of Lofoten Islands. The Lofoten Islands, located above the Arctic Circle, are famous for their dramatic landscapes. Towering peaks rise steeply from the fjords, while sparkling waters provide the perfect contrast. This unique geographical position makes Lofoten a magical spot for travelers seeking beauty and adventure. But did you know that the islands are also home to a rich fishing heritage? In fact, the fishing villages scattered around the islands have been thriving for centuries. They once served as bases for fishermen who ventured into the ocean to catch cod during the winter months. Today, these vibrant villages are alive with the history and culture of the people who call them home. Each small settlement tells a unique story, reflecting the character of its surroundings. A journey through historical villages. One of the must-visit villages is Henningsvær, often referred to as the Venice of Lofoten. Nestled on several small islands, it captivates visitors with its charming atmosphere. The wooden houses that line the streets evoke feelings of steps back in time. While wandering through Henningsvær, you can observe local fishermen preparing their nets or enjoy art from nearby galleries. Vikingen is another charming village that's worth a stop. Here, you can explore the old houses and learn about the traditional fishing techniques that have been passed down through generations. Fishermen still gather in the harbor, and the aroma of fresh fish fills the air, transporting you to a simpler time. The sense of community in these villages is almost palpable, making them feel alive and welcoming. Culinary delights of the sea. Lofoten's fishing heritage also extends to its delicious food. The islands are famous for their seafood, particularly the stockfish, which is air-dried cod. This traditional method has been practiced in Lofoten for hundreds of years. When visiting, indulging in dishes made from fresh, local ingredients is a must. In many restaurants, you can savor local specialties like dried fish, fish soup, and even unique creations like cod burgers. Each bite tells you the story of the land and sea, connecting you to the very essence of the islands. Dining by the sea, you might even catch sight of fishing boats unloading their daily catch, adding to the rich atmosphere. Nature's playground in the Arctic Circle. Beyond the villages, Lofoten offers endless opportunities for adventure. Hiking trails wind through incredible landscapes, leading you to breathtaking viewpoints. One popular spot is Reinebringen, a mountain that rewards those who reach its summit with a view of the stunning fishing village of Reine against a backdrop of shimmering waters. For those seeking something more exhilarating, kayaking in the fjords is a fantastic option. Paddling through the clear waters, surrounded by towering mountains, feels like a dream. The serene silence, broken only by the sounds of nature, creates a connection to the environment that is truly unforgettable. A hidden gem. The midnight sun and polar nights. While many think of summer as the best time to visit Lofoten, the islands have a captivating allure year-round. From late May to mid-July, The midnight sun bathes everything in golden light, creating a surreal landscape. You can explore for hours, as the sun never seems to set. On the other hand, the winter months bring the magic of the polar nights. The northern lights dance across the sky, with colors swirling in shades of green and purple. This phenomenon is a bucket list experience for many travelers. Imagine standing under the stars, watching the auroras flicker like a celestial ballet. The myths and legends of the sea. While many visitors come to appreciate Lofoten's natural beauty, not everyone knows about its rich folklore. Norse myths speak of the sea's mystical creatures that once roamed these waters. Stories of trolls and sea monsters have been passed down through generations, making the landscape even more enchanting. Exploring Lofoten isn't just a journey through beautiful scenery. It's also a journey through a land steeped in tales. Every rock and mountain seems to hold a secret or a story waiting to be told. The locals might share these legends over a warm bowl of fish soup, deepening your connection to the place. Planning your adventure. If you're thinking about visiting Lofoten, it's essential to plan ahead. The islands are well connected with ferries, but renting a car offers the freedom to explore at your own pace. Each village has its own unique charm, making it worth your while to visit several. Consider the seasons when planning your trip. Summer months provide long days, perfect for hiking and fishing, while winter offers opportunities for skiing and viewing the northern lights. There's beauty to be found in every season, making Lofoten a year-round destination. What type of adventure do you feel drawn to when exploring new places? Do you crave the thrill of outdoor activities, or do you prefer to soak in the local culture and flavors? The perfect ending to your journey. As your journey through the Lofoten Islands concludes, take a moment to reflect on your experiences. The sights, sounds, and flavors of the fishing villages will linger in your memory long after you've left. Each village offers a window into a way of life that is both simple and profound. Whether it's the laughter of locals, the taste of fresh seafood, or the stunning landscapes that captured your heart, Lofoten is sure to leave you enchanted. It's a place that feels timeless, a magical corner of the world that reminds us of the beauty of nature and the spirit of community.